Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Recently I keep seeing a lot of Spudman video on TikTok and it's really made me want to try it. So today we're diving into this hot trend, Spudman Baked Potatoes, and I will use air fryer to bake them. Let's get started. All the ingredient is on the screen. After wash our potatoes thoroughly, we will add in some salt to the water and boil the potatoes. Because my potatoes are a bit big, so I will boil them for about 45 to 50 minutes. If you use smaller potatoes, you can adjust the time to 25 to 30 minutes. After the potatoes are done boiling, use a fork to poke them all over. This helps the heat penetrate better. Rub them with a little bit of olive oil. I decided to boil them first because baking potatoes for 2 hours continuously may burn my air fryer. If you have oven, you can slowly bake them for 2 hours. Now you will bake the potatoes in air fryer at 200 Celsius for 45 minutes. While waiting for our potatoes, let's make our beef bolognese. First, heat a bit of oil in a pan and chop garlic. When garlic turns golden and fragrant, add in the minced beef. Once it's brown, add the bolognese sauce and let it simmer for a few minutes. I'm using this halal bolognese sauce. I want the sauce more flavorful, so I add in 1.5 teaspoon of seasoning powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar and some oregano leaf. Once done, put them aside. In another pan, heat up the canned baked beans, simple and quick. After 50 minutes, our potatoes are done. You can use toothpick to check if your potatoes have become soft yet. Now we cut our potato in half. While they're still hot, scoop a bit of the potato flesh and mix it with some butter. The smell is so good. Seasoning them with a bit of pepper, salt and paprika. Continue to mix. Now we will add Parmesan and Mozzarella cheese. I heard that the original Spudman potatoes use 20% of mozzarella mixed with 80% cheddar, but I haven't found halal cheddar in Vietnam yet, so I just go with Parmesan and mozzarella instead. Put more cheese, the more the merrier. Then on one potato, we add the heated baked bean. On the other, add the minced beef bolognese. Looks so yummy. Remember to heat the baked bean and beef bolognese before put on the potatoes, or else your cheese can't melt truly. And there you have it, Spudman Baked Potatoes, two filling, one with savory beef bolognese and the other with baked bean. Now let's check our cheese pool. These are so good. Look at the melting cheese, so creamy. And now we got our today's recipe, spud potatoes, baked bean and bolognese. Look at that. Yummy yummy. Let's see the cheese pool. Do we have a cheese pool here? Look at it, so cheesy. You can put more cheese for more cheesy. Okay. Cheese pool, let's pull. So cheesy. Okay, let's give it a try. Baked bean. Bismillah. Delicious. The baked bean and the paprika mixed together with the cheese and the potato. Very nice. Even though I not really like baked bean, but this is delicious. With the cheese. The original one, they always put baked bean, so we try baked bean today. No wonder people like it. Okay, let's try the bolognese. Take more bolognese, put here. Look at the cheese, man. Okay, everything is delicious. You should try this at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe together. If you have anything to say, comment or want me to put something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.